Another year, another festival, another Diwali. And I'm here with one more opportunity for you all to help you manifest and attract infinite abundance, wealth, success, and prosperities in your life. So I am launching my Power Pack Powerful Diwali Package, which starts from Dhanteras and goes till Diwali. So this is a 3 days of powerful package in which you would be learn how you can manifest anything that you want in your life with the help of spiritual divine energy and with the help of angels. So what all this includes? This package includes a powerful Dhanteras Potli which has been energized throughout the year with certain powerful rituals. And it includes a prosperity attunement that will take place on the date of Dhanteras, wherein you would be able to remove all the blockages from your existence. There are 7 types of money blockages which a person can carry. So I would be removing all these blockages from a person's existence and then making a space for the new energy that you can manifest and stabilize in your energy centers during Diwali with the help of this prosperity attunement and abundance pack only. So if you want to understand more about this package, you can reach me out on my number given in the caption, and I would be really happy to help you out. Thank you.